Is Rufus actually safe to use? Or should you worry about damaging your computer or USB drive? If you've been searching for bootable USB tools, you've probably seen Rufus recommended everywhere. But before you use it, it's normal to wonder whether it's really safe. Today, let's break down the truth in a simple and beginner-friendly way. The short answer is yes. Rufus is safe. It's one of the most trusted bootable USB creation tools available today. It's been around for years, and millions of users, including IT professionals and technicians, rely on it. Rufus doesn't install anything on your system, doesn't run in the background, and doesn't make changes without your permission. You simply open the program, create your bootable USB, and close it. That's it. However, the safety of Rufus also depends on where you download it. Since the file is small and portable, fake versions can circulate online. As long as you get Rufus from its official source, not from suspicious third-party sites, you're using the legitimate and safe version of the tool. The real Rufus has no ads, no bundled software, and no hidden installers. Another important point is that Rufus itself doesn't harm your computer, but it can erase everything on your USB drive when creating a bootable device. That's not a virus or a threat. It's simply part of the process. So the only real risk is losing data if you forget to back up your USB before formatting it. Rufus is also open source, which means its code is publicly available. Anyone can inspect it, which adds an extra layer of trust. No secret functions, no hidden surprises, and nothing running behind the scenes. So, overall, Rufus is safe, clean, and reliable, as long as you use the official version and follow the instructions properly. If you take a moment to back up your USB and double-check your ISO file, you won't have any issues. If this explanation helped you understand Rufus better, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.